this deen is not only about being religious and that's it. It's not only about being pious within. It's about caring for yourself, caring for your brother, caring for your community, caring for your society, and caring for your nation. If you back off only in the masjid is what you care about yourself, connect to the masjid and your society, you are disconnected. Socially, you are disconnected. Politically, you don't know what's going on. That's when you will have the LGBT who just got here, who just got some power a few years in America. Now they're the one controlling the curricula of high school and middle school and public schools. Why? Because we left the forum and the platform thinking that that's not part of our responsibility. That concept in itself is another bid'ah in our deen that An-Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam never practiced. So Abdullah, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us of those who care much about ad-deen.